everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Obviously today we are here in my bathroom, and that is because I recently got a package from Generation Clay that came all the way from Australia, and I figured that it would be fun to unbox it and do a first impressions of it here on my channel as a little bit of a bonus video for you guys, because as you know, today is not one of my normal upload days. The only thing that I've done is gone ahead and cut the box so that I don't have to struggle with it. And before I get started, I do want to say that I will have the link for this product linked down below for you guys, and the company was actually kind enough to gift this to me to try here on my channel. However, that does not affect my opinion whatsoever, and I am not being paid in any way to do this video. And with that being said, let's get started. For the unboxing portion, let me just start off by saying I really like that they don't go overboard with their packaging. They just use a small box, and I also really like the saying on the side of it. It just says Slay with Clay, and then Generation Clay below it. And then for the moment we've all been waiting for, this is just what it looks like when you open it up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out. There's just a little sheet of stickers. One says, "Get it girl," #wifey, boy bye, a peace sign, boom, cash it sis, and there's also a little koala bear because it is an Australian company. And then the other two items in the box are these. This right here I'm assuming is a headband, which is pretty exciting, and I really like that it's purple. Purple is definitely one of my favorite colors, as you guys can see. And on it, it just says Generation Clay, so I'm assuming you put it on like any other headband to keep the flyaways out of your face while you were doing the mask. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now so I can save a step later. And then for the actual mask itself, it comes wrapped in tissue paper. And then this is just what the box looks like. It says Gen Clay, and then on the front it just says Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask made with Davidson Plum. And the purpose of this is to purify, illuminate, refine, and brighten. It is a cruelty-free product, and they do not test on animals. You can go ahead and connect with them on social media. I will have those linked down below. All their social medias are just Generation Clay. And then I figured I'd also read the back for you guys just to give you a little more of an insight. It just says, formulated with Davidson Plum, a natural AHA that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Follow up with a broad spectrum sunscreen rated SPF 15 or greater, which I won't have an issue with because I do that anyways. And then it says to use, using the applicator brush provided, apply an even layer to clean dry skin with approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions, then lightly pat dry your skin. You get a little brush, it's right here on the top. And then this is what the actual mask looks like. It is really heavy, and I think it's because the actual product container is made of maybe stone or something. It's definitely not plastic, but it's not glass. It feels like a stone. The top is plastic, and the lettering seems to be washing off and rubbing off easily. However, that's just a minor product flaw. I don't care. And now to open it, there is one of the sealed caps, and it does smell really good. And one thing I did notice is that on the side it says that you need to apply it with caution if you're using dietary supplements containing vitamin A, which I am not, so I'm in the clear. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it here on camera for you guys. So this is just what the little brush looks like. It's really cute, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm just gonna start by taking the product that is on the top to use it up, and I'm using my viewfinder. This feels really nice. I love clay masks. It goes on really nicely. The echo keeps turning on. I don't know why, but she keeps turning on. I really like how easily this is to apply. You can definitely tell it's like all natural stuff. Doesn't have a chemical scent at all, which is nice. Also, if you guys would like more videos that are kind of like this, where I just come on and do a bonus video and test a product for you guys, let me know. Or like get ready with me, so I can definitely do some of those. I am not going to go up to my forehead because it says to be careful in the sun with it, and my forehead burns like no other, no matter what. So to prevent anything bad from happening, I'm just going to steer clear of my forehead. So that is all I'm gonna do for my face. I was able to use everything that was on the lid, and now I'm just gonna wait the 10 minutes or until this is totally dry, and then I will come back to you guys. Right off the bat, I definitely really like this. It feels really smooth. It goes on really easily. It smells nice. You can definitely tell there are no like bad harsh chemicals in it. It doesn't burn or anything. It was easy to apply, like I've said probably like 5 times now. So it's been 10 minutes. It's definitely hard to move my face because it is hardened. As you can see, it's not hardened here or here, and I think that's simply because I might have just layered too much on, but the rest is definitely a lighter purple than when I started. Let me tell you, I love this. I am gonna go ahead and wait another few minutes just to see if this will dry up. If not, then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. I'm not gonna wash it off on camera because it took me forever to get this set up. I will get back to you in a second and let you know my overall thoughts. As I was taking it off, I realized how easy it actually is to take off, and I wanted to come back on here and just show you guys. So when you take it off, you're just supposed to gently go in circular motions with water. I like using face cloths. I put little to no effort into that, and it's coming off so nicely. And this is hands down my new favorite mask. In masks that I've tried in the past, you have to like get your whole entire face drenched, and then you end up getting your shirt wet. There's water everywhere. However, with this one, you can easily use a face cloth. Any other type I've tried that I try to use a face cloth with, they just smear everywhere and get gross, and you end up having to just dunk your face. So that is definitely another pro to this. So I'm gonna go finish this, and I'll be back. Right off the bat, I'm gonna give this product a 10 out of 10. I really liked the way it felt. It was super easy to apply and take off. They give you all the tools you need, such as a headband and the little applicator brush. The only downside for the packaging is the top lettering is wearing off, but I mean, that could easily just be because the letters aren't adhering well to it. But other than that, the packaging is pretty awesome. It has a good weight to it. It's not cheap. I like that this company does not test on animals, and that when they ship it to you, they don't go overboard with packaging as well. Now, for the overall, what the product is supposed to do, I obviously am not going to get a result the first time I use it, whether it is brightening or not. However, after a few times of using it, I will definitely come back and give you guys a little update in the description box. But right now, I can definitely tell you my face feels super refreshed. It doesn't burn, it doesn't sting, it's not red or anything, which is really nice. I don't feel like there's a film or anything on it like with some products, and it doesn't smell like it is riddled with chemicals like some other products. So I would definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. So if you guys like this video and would like me to do bonus videos where I just come on here and try products, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, this mask will be linked in the description box, so if you guys are interested in trying it out for yourselves, you can easily do that by clicking the link. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Packet Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!